Do you run QuickBooks on servers hosted at your office or some other important business application running on Windows servers or maybe a Microsoft SQL server, and you're wondering how to get those moved to the cloud so you don't have to deal with server hardware anymore? Because your plan is to eventually move to the web-based version of this software at some point in the future. Well, here at Xerillion, after we've moved a client's email, files, phone, security, and management to Microsoft 365 Cloud Services, we're sometimes left with legacy Windows applications that are hosted on servers or a SQL server at their office. Well, what do we do with that? For that, we use Microsoft Azure. And that works a little something like this. We build an Azure virtual network. We put in either a Meraki or a WatchGuard virtual firewall and connect it securely, your firewall to the virtual firewall with a VPN. So we're extending your local network up into the Azure network. And then from there, we just add the servers that we need. Maybe some Windows servers, a Microsoft SQL server, Windows virtual desktop services to host the application. And the interesting thing is, by the nature of it being the cloud, we don't need a disaster recovery system. And then we use Azure Backup to back up the software and the applications. And then the beauty of this is there's no hardware to refresh. And then down the road, when you're ready to migrate those business applications from the legacy Windows apps to the web apps, you can simply shut down the Azure virtual network. And remember this really important point. Azure servers only get cheaper and faster every year. Click the blue watch button below to watch my 31-minute video on why hosting your servers in Microsoft Azure is so much more secure and cost-effective than hosting it yourself. I hope to see you there.